Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is by Tomica, and this is their Hypercity Rescue, and this one has the Nissan Fairlady Z Roadster and vehicle and Tommy hero. Okay, I guess this guy is the hero. Okay, so I personally don't buy sets like this, but I just wanted to buy this Nissan Fairlady Z because I don't have one. I don't remember buying one before, so I bought this one. And this set looked really nice for 400 rupees. So this is the one which we have right now. There are two other models. I personally don't worry about this one. So this one I don't know where it is available. So if you guys know, let me know. So I will buy and unbox that one as well. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, that is enough. Okay, just okay. Let's keep the knife here. Safety first. Okay, here it is. Let's take one by one. Why this is hard to take it out? Okay. Hey little guy. I don't know, it's just any. Okay, let's pull out the car as well. Wow, that is heavy. Dude, this is really heavy, man. Okay. Let's see how they actually arranged this here. So here's okay, in this way they put it. Okay, this goes here, fine guarded, and this goes here. Okay, got it. Okay, why this is on the other side I don't know. Let's put it on this side. Okay, and this guy goes here if I'm not wrong. Okay, got it. So we assembled this one here. It has mobile parts, man. This one looks really cute. See? Okay, let's put this aside and get to the car. Okay, I love the setup, by the way. It looks really nice. Okay, here is the car itself. Wow, this looks really heavy. Wow, the quality is really nice. So far whatever I got, a lot of Tomicas, I unboxed a few as well. I never saw any issue with the paint job so far like Hot Wheels has. This one is really beautiful. It is so heavy and see, my only concern is it doesn't have any plastic for this headlights or taillights, and taillights are not even painted. The logos looks really nice. And another thing is I can open this. Yeah, So here is a closer look. Let me try to show it to you guys a bit clear. This one is a right hand drive. So this is just plastic, but still the quality is really beautiful. It is really nice. I'm going to put it back. Wow, it actually exceeded my expectations. I had expectation which is like, it is not going to be heavy, or it is just going to look like Hot Wheels. But this one is really heavy. You can literally, break someone's head with this one. Okay, let's see if it has any suspension. Wow, this one has suspension, man. This looks really wicked. Okay, it doesn't roll that nice, but anyway, when it comes to Tomica, I'm not going to, I never use anything in track or anything. I'm just going to keep it in a box or something like that. But specifically Tomicas, I don't want to play with it because it is a beautiful piece of artwork. You just need to put it in a showcase, and you just get up every day and just look at it every day. You can even pray to it, man. Just like you pray your God. I really love Tomicas. They are really affordable, and those things have really great details, and the scale is really good. So one more time on the interior. That is great. Wow. Okay, fine. So what do you think, guys? Do you guys like Tomica? So put it in the comments. Let's see. And so if you guys like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.